So here's the video. I tried several different screwdrivers, flathead, and Phillips head screwdrivers. Flathead, Phillips head, all different kinds of screwdrivers. Still can't get the screw out of this hole and this hole. These screws are very, very tight, and if I continue to try to take them out, they're gonna be stripped and they'll never come out. So I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. Screws don't come out. This is my machine. I've used it. I've tried to use it several times. The machine works perfect. Just can't swap out the tools. So is there any way you guys can, I guess, replace the top part? Thank you.